Alright, we're going to be taking this 2023 Dodge Charger front bumper off. It's got some damage on it. We're going to fix the damage on it. We're going to be showing you how to take the bumper off on this car. We got to get these tabs out up here to get this cover off. Two-piece tab. The top comes up. We got a 10mm bolt right here. Make sure that ain't a block. Got one over here the same. We got a two-piece push pin here. Looks like there's 3 of them.
You have to pull that wheel liner back to get to the rest of the screws.
Alright, we got a 10mm here. It's going to be really difficult to get.
It'll be really difficult for me to record.
Pin goes in like this right here. Very difficult to get, but you got to pull the liner back and get to it. All right. Other side. This should unsnap. Get a plastic spoon, stick it in between, if you can get it in there. Kind of hard to get in there. Yeah. Can't get underneath it. Some of them is really stuck in there. Must be another boat. Whew.
Hairbrush?
Alright, we got to take this push pin out right here. Get it out to give us some more relief on this. And this one right up in here. There's one more bolt. Way up front that we're gonna have to get, and it's not gonna be fun. The light's right in the way every time. Yeah, it's right here. Go turn the wheels that way. All right. On this side, take those two push pins out, give you a little more extra room to get up in there to get that second bolt out. That's where a nice long 1/4-inch ratchet comes in, battery powered. Should be free now. Yeah. Give me a 7 or an 8.
It looks like we gotta take some bolts off down here.
There's 7mm.
I can't even get it.
They're on the bumper cover itself.
I'm not getting any of it. There we go. I finally got it.
That was missing. All right, there's a brake cooler right here where the air comes through the front grill and it comes out right here to cool the brakes. And I think there's 4. No, there's 3 bolts that holds it on. I took one out. We're gonna get this one out. Well, give me a little 7. Three bolts. Oh, out here on the other side. now it should be ready to come off. We'll get this off now. Yeah, you gotta undo the lights. Alright, on the two bolts, the one here and the one right there, this one's a pretty good ways up in there. If you don't have a long reach ratchet, then you can undo this all the way across and back with the push pins and push pins down there, and this will all come down and set on the tire, and it'll be a lot easier to get up in there to get to that bolt right here, because it comes in from this way. That's about it. That's how you remove the bumper on a 23 Dodge Charger. Thank you for watching.